everybody, it's Brandon, PDS Radon Supply, doing some remodel work at my sister's place and figured now would be a great time to show you how to install a KTA 2.0 power supply box. That is the new system with a built-in alarm that meets NRPP code, which most licensed states have. So this box, we're going to start by getting rid of the KTA 1.0. So first things first, turn it off. Disconnect it from power. And we could go through the whole trouble of taking off the doghouse and doing all that, but I'm just going to cut this wire. All right, we're going to strip it, and we're going to get back to you with the unboxing of the KTA 2.0. Brent at PDS showing you the KTA 2.0 installation. So the KTA 2.0 is the all-in-one low-voltage radon mitigation fan system with a built-in alarm that meets NRPP code, which is the code in most licensed states. So when you open up your envelope, you're going to have several things inside. You've got your warranty packet. You've got a 5-year limited warranty, so make sure you register that. You've got a fuse. You've got your screws to mount to the wall, and you've got your quick connect. So these things are made in Colorado Springs, Colorado, assembled by hand, tested and checked before they get there. So first thing you want to do is open up the fuse holder, the flathead screwdriver, place your fuse inside, close it back up. The reason we had to create this fuse is because you have 3 days of battery backup. So let's say you lose power to the fan at 2 in the morning. Well, you don't know that your fan system has failed. The light will immediately turn red. In about 1 minute, it's going to make a really loud noise. It might wake you up. So we changed our snooze duration so that you don't get woken up at 3 a.m. every day that week. You can snooze at 12 hours, and then the next day at 3 p.m., why don't you snooze it a few days with this here snooze alarm. So before this starts beeping, we're going to snooze it, we're going to go inside, and we're going to connect it to our pre-installed KTA low-voltage radon fan. All right, Brandon PDS here, showing you how this quick connect works. So let's pretend that you accidentally put the quick connect on before you put the wire through your wall. Well, this is a pretty big hole to make, so we're going to get it off. So first things first, you take a flathead screwdriver or a paper clip, something sturdy. You press really hard here on that white portion, and it pulls right out. So you press really hard right on these little white rectangles there. Then, once you have your wire stripped and cut, you want to cut all this back. This is a test wire. I probably would cut it back maybe half as much, but this is just an internal test wire we use in our warehouse. Oh, need some new scissors. Anyway, you cut off this stripping. You probably only want to cut the wire stripping to about here, and then it is a quick connect. So place this in here. Get it in there nice and firm. Here as well. Pull on it, make sure it's secure, and you're good to go. Then you can just attach this to the KTA fan, which we'll show here in a moment. All right, this is Brent at PDS. We've unboxed everything. We've connected the orange clip here to the KTA wire. It does not matter where red goes and where black goes. They're interchangeable. You just want to make sure that that's a snug connection there. So connection is right here on the bottom of the box. Plug it in. You're good to go. Mount the box on the wall, and we're going to give it power. Connected to the GSCI outlet. We're turning it on, and it takes about 60 seconds for the fan to actually start spinning, but you'll see the system immediately recognizes that it's on. There's a 48-hour calibration period. That calibration period is to get to know the average airflow of your fan. Read my articles on fan curves for more, but radon fans will move different volumes of air due to different soil conditions, pipe sizes, these types of things. So if there is a power outage, you will immediately know that something's wrong with the system. However, you will not get false alarms after that calibration period, just because you may have lost a small amount of airflow due to normal operating circumstances. So that's the beauty of the KTA. That's why we designed it that way. So these are systems designed by radon professionals for radon professionals.